Hello everyone. Let's discover together how to use Gobos Light Textures for Blender. Unzip the file Gobos Light Textures.zip. You can now delete the archive if you want. Let's open Blender and go to Edit, then Preferences, and in the tab, File Paths and Asset Libraries. Click on the plus. Go to the corresponding folder. Open the folder and click on Accept. The library is now added. All that remains is to name it. I'll call it Gobos Light Textures. Save your preferences and close the window. In Blender, open the Asset Browser tab. In the Current File drop-down menu, select your Gobos Light library. Open the drop-down menu to view the different categories. To import a gobo, nothing could be easier. Click and drag it into your scene. This is the power of the asset browser. Let's take a concrete example and add a forest gobo. Let's switch to render mode with cycles. Gobos Light Textures is not compatible with Eevee. With the spot selected, go to the settings. You can adjust the power of the light, the radius, which allows you to add blur to your shadow. Adjust the light tint, the spot size, and the blend for a progressive outline. Now let's set up a caustic gobo. Add a nice color and go to the shadow editor. It is very easy to change the size of the texture, but also the rotation, and you can animate all the features. In the caustic, a small node group allows to generate an animation to simulate water. Press the spacebar to start the animation. You can set the speed, size, and other options. The Animated Leaves tab allows you to add animations of leaves and trees to make your animations even more realistic. Let's add it in our scene. The animations are 25 frames per second in Full HD. They last every 10 seconds or 250 frames. They are designed to loop infinitely. Press the space bar on the keyboard to launch the animation. You can see in real time the rendering of the animation with the wind moving the leaves of the tree. You're ready to create amazing 3D renders and animations. Check out these examples made with Blender and Gobos Light Textures. Enjoy!